Alright guys, how's it going? Long time no see. I've been working really hard and busy. I am one big hairball right now. It's been a while, so thought I'd get something there. I was just playing around. I wanted to make another mud truck there. I saw a little post up and got me going. So I slapped on the big tires and I thought, hey, let's get a little video going. So let's get this thing going. I am fully waterproof, rocking the Rock 412 3200 kV with the Savox. Ooh. She's deep. She's deep there. I got some floaty going on. This is a beast. I can't wait. There's not much mud. I wish there was mud. It's been so dry out lately. Had a little rain and it did nothing. This creek should just be up. Working so good so far. Do enjoy. Big tires, and these are from RC 4-wheel drive. They're tractor tire. Got a winch up front, but it's not hooked up. Neither are the lights. I will do that eventually. Just when I'm playing in the water, I don't like all the. Ooh, hung up on a rock. I think I'm sitting in the creek here. Oh, some power. Floating. I'm floating. Let's get those tires up. Oh yeah, get some power. My phone's dead too, so that's one reason I haven't been doing much. Ooh, she likes it though. Hasn't died on me yet. Tried to take a lot of articulation out since it's a mud truck. I want it to be fairly stiff. Oh, and she got power. Oh, just high-siding on everything, eh? Not doing a really good driving job today. This is the Bronco Beast. Actually, it's an scx10. With an AX10 crawler chassis that I zipped down just to get a little bit of extension out there, just kind of a little custom mod. So you guys seen this quite a few times. This truck has been around probably for an easy 1.5 to 2 years. Changed a lot up. Has to be one of my funnest. The most funnest ever. It just floats along. Okay. 10.5-inch wheelbase, almost as wide as it is long, which is pretty cool. It's the new Bronco mud truck. Let's see, I think I got some soft sand here. Maybe I'll light it up for you. Ready? Woo! I wasn't expecting that. It does what I want. Pulls it right down. Gets that back end down and front end up. Very nice. So guys, I thought I'd just give you a little quick showing. So far this thing has been really good to me. I got 120 mil shocks, boom racing on the front. Very good for dampening and smashing back down. super high lift extension for the steering arm. And I only got 70 mils RC four-wheel drive shocks on the back. Give you a little show, yeah, that's me smushing around in the water. So far, everything's good. I don't know if you can see in there, I got a save though, 277 inch-ounce per torque, so more than enough to turn those big tires. So man, I am loving this little beast. Can't wait for them. There's a little submarine and I think it was floating there, like a little boat. I spray fluid film over everything. It's just cheap. I get it from here, Canadian Tire. You'll probably find it at a Walmart or something. I just give it a little spray, and then after every mud I water it down. And then spray it again, let it dry, and so far I have not had a problem. Well, this thing is going to do good tomorrow.